Hi everyone, welcome to Quality Insights by Patent Cloud. This video will show you how to get instant insights needed for patent litigation. These include litigation record, event history, claim disclosures, and potential Section 112, Section 102 and Section 103 validity issues. Here you can enter patent, publication, or application numbers with semicolons, spaces, or new lines between each number. After performing a search and a duplication, you can obtain the basic information for the patents. Such information includes the title, publication date, original assignee, current patent owner, and related proceedings. You can easily see if the patent has been involved in a U.S. litigation case within 60 days when you see this icon. Click View to proceed to the analysis page for this patent. On the overview page, you can find a summary of a patent's litigation record, claim disclosure rate, potential Section 112, Section 102 and Section 103 validity issues, and its bibliography at the very top of the page. This crucial information can give you an instant overview of the insights needed in patent litigation. By scrolling down, you can view the U.S. litigation docket numbers categorized by jurisdiction under event history. Continue to scroll down to see how a patent's claims have been disclosed by the prior art. The percentages of the disclosure are calculated by analyzing the claim charts in the file wrappers. The claim analysis chart identifies potential Section 112 issues in the patent by checking for ambiguity in claim interpretations. Potential prior art references are generated from the prior art aggregators in Quality Insights. These aggregators include Family Prior Art Finder, and Semantic Prior Art. All recommended references are applicable as potential prior art that may not have been considered before. You can also unearth potential disputes in other jurisdictions by examining the status of family members shown in the family status chart at the bottom of the page. Thanks for watching.